today we might be looking a little crusty and dusty, but it's okay, because I want to talk to you guys about this ponytail I got, and this is from the company named BARSDAR. Be your own star, baby. So let's go ahead and get into the goodies that comes in the bag. Right off the bat, we got a little headband is what it's looking like. But I want to open it because I want to see if that's what it really is. Ooh, we getting fancy with it. Look at this. Yes. That is so cute. Do y'all see the design? So it's like a hot air balloon. Okay, call me fancy. Yes. I'm loving it. So here is the other thing that comes in there. Your girl needed a scrunchie, okay? And I'm so happy. So it comes with a scrunchie and 2 bobby pins, which I think is really cute. Listen, the packaging is all in the details, honey, because the way you package stuff is so on point for me. So like I said, the 2 bobby pins, here's your nice scrunchie. I mean, come on, that's a cute little baggie you could keep for yourself for later. Or if you gotta add your own little things into here and take it on the go, it's travel size. It also comes with the famous BARSDAR book, baby, and I'm here for it. You got all your little instructions right there. It also has how you can style this unit on the back and everything. Washing instructions, you are good to go, honey, yes. So now let's go ahead and get into the unit. Look at this. So she is super duper long. I'm absolutely here for her. And y'all already know they always come with netting to keep the curl in place. But look at this. She is gorgeous. Now she did just come out, okay? So we gotta run the fingers through a little bit, all right? But I absolutely love this. Oh my gosh, look at this curl. This is gonna be really cute. I wanna say she's at least 20 inches. Ooh, yes. So don't fret, because if you have two-tone hair color like me, it doesn't matter because nobody's really looking at the back of your head. It's really meant for the front. So we're gonna try to get this ponytail as high as we can, and we're gonna give it a go. So we will take the stuffing out. Look at the interior, y'all. This is like looking at a car, baby. Yes. So right here, I'm gonna take this part out. You have a nice deep comb, and I like that because that's gonna add so much more security to your unit. I am so here for this. And another thing that I like is that they have a long drawstring. So let me come a little closer so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So you see this right here? You see how this pulled out and there's no knot? So if you pull this drawstring, it's going to come right off. So what you want to do with the units that come like this is you want to make your own knot at the end, and that's to secure this piece that scrunches the ponytail on. It's gonna make sure that it doesn't fall off. So I like to make sure that it's even, and you're just gonna tie a knot the same way you would do if you were getting ready to sew your hair or do a sew-in. So you're just gonna go ahead and wrap it around the finger, push it through. I know with the thread and the needle, you wrap it around your finger and rub, but it's the same concept, honey. And if it's still too short for your liking, just redo the knot. But right here, you can go ahead and cut them ends off and you got your nice secure knot. Make sure it's nice and tight so it's not going anywhere. But I love the added comb detail. So all we do is just pull her out. You also have a comb for underneath your ponytail. So you got one big secure one on top and one little one for underneath. Okay, so let's get it on and popping. Yes, y'all, look at her. She is a gorgeous baby. I'm loving it. And y'all already know, y'all see the blonde spot in the back of my head is blonde, but it don't matter. Let me turn around and show y'all. It's like having a little peekaboo action back there. So if your hair does go to the side, honey, it's like, ooh, who is she? Yes. So I'm absolutely here for the ease and versatility of this unit. Look where it comes, y'all. It's like right here. Amazing. Absolutely. Absolutely, honey. I love it. You can't tell me it's not mine. I mean, you can see a little bit of the teeth comb marks, so make sure that you try to dig it in and then cover it up a little bit. But that's about it. Like, once you do a little brushing, it's gonna go right into place and everything just looks so flawless. It looks seamless, y'all. And quite frankly, I really don't care about that. Like, the ponytail is secure. It's matching my hair. Like, we're here, okay? There's nothing else to be said. Like, this is amazing, y'all. Absolutely love it. Y'all let me know what y'all think, but I think this is fire. So I hope this helped, and I will see you guys in my next review, y'all. Yes. Y'all, loving it. Oh my gosh. Okay, bye.